magic beans or whatever.
That's what I said.
I'm strong for my size.
I know you're all trying to be helpful.
I mean, if you can handle Ivy, then I guess that's true.
Exactly what to do.
Yeah, like the time my son had no brakes going down the mountain road.
My cousin sent me this.
I don't remember.
It was in that box.
It turned out all right.
Maybe we should have taken.
We're watching all of the other reindeer. Pancake, you gonna get in the box?
There are reasons why that guy should have been fired a while ago.
Pretty sure my nephew has the same tattoo. He's tattooed.
Get in the box, Pancake.
Pretty sure my nephew wears the same size. I mean, he is taller than me.
I'm not going to let him.
Christmas tree.
Merry Christmas.
I baked a bunch of cookies. I got more to make later tonight. So I made turkey soup. Got some bread. And look at Selena. This is an old wreath that I had. And she thinks it's like her bed to lay in. Look, it's gonna flip out though. Whoa! What happened, Selena? Selena Bobina. Now Pancake's on it. This is a box. Don't look at the writing on the box. It's terrible. This is a gift from my cousin that was inside the box. The kids, the youngins, Bianca and her friends were writing on dirty stuff on the box. Now, Pancake's very much enjoying playing with it. So, oh god, my skin's looking really bad today. I think because I was super stressed out. When I'm stressed out, the plaques, you know, psoriasis plaques, they get really itchy. And I scratch without even thinking about it. And that happens the most when I'm just like overtired or stressed. I'm used to like getting like more nap time during the day because I get so fatigued. And I've been really pushing myself to do stuff just to like, because I want my life to be a certain way. And I'm trying to make it happen, and it's just, it's a bit draining on me. I need like a day to just sleep all day. But it's okay. I'm okay. I'll get through it. I did a lot of baking today, and it seems, and yet when I look, I'm like, that wasn't as much as I thought. Like, I think because I went out to, like, because I was missing certain ingredients or whatever. And I was planning on making turkey soup today, and I had to go get a stock pot. I had a stock pot, but it was kind of messed up. It has like a little bent in it, and something had burned in it, and we thought we were gonna throw it away. We put it on the back porch. And we brought it in like a week ago, and we were like, well, it's not too bad. But then I remembered seeing a stock pot at the thrift store, and I was like, let's go back to the thrift store. It's the last day they're open, because they close, and they're like closed for a week or whatever, until after New Year's. I think they do inventory and stuff. And probably just vacation, because not everybody that works there, some people work there, oh my god, I can't even think. I really can't. You know, they don't work there for money. They're just there to help out. And then there's some people there that get paid. But anyways, I went in, and the stock pot that I was thinking about, I hadn't looked inside it. And when I looked inside it, it was like all like rusted and stuff in the middle, and very, very dusty. And I was like, I can't. And I looked at the bottom, and the bottom was really bad, like the bottom and the outside. And I was just like, no. I was like kind of surprised it was on the shelf, because I know people that work there, and they're usually pretty good about going through stuff. And when I see her, I might say something to her about it, like, hey, somebody else I think put something up here that probably shouldn't be up there. Or maybe just let it go. I mean, it's not that big of a deal. I just didn't buy it myself, you know. And then we went to the grocery store and got some things, and it just takes forever. Like, we never can go someplace and just grab stuff and leave. I'm not gonna bitch about John. I love John. But, you know, when you're with somebody and they're just, he's just like molasses when we go places. He wants to look at everything. And then I'm like, I become slow because I'm just like wandering around waiting for him. I could walk for the whole store like 3 times and come back and he'd probably be in the same aisle. That's like how bad it is. And sometimes I have to be really pushy, and then he doesn't like that. And it's just like, so I used to love to go to the grocery store, but now I kind of hate it because there isn't anybody I can go with where I can just do what I want to do, because one of my friends is too fast. Like, she goes in and she's just like boom, 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 and then gone. Like, I want to be able to look a little bit, but I don't want to be there like a million years either. So, and sometimes I do want, like today, boom, boom, boom would have been better, but that wasn't going to happen, even though I wanted it to. But there's some nice things that happened today. There was a lady who gave us her little ticket thing at the parking garage. So she was like, oh, mine is till 4 and I'm leaving now, so you can have it. And we were there at like between 1 and 2, so that was kind of nice, because we didn't have to pay for parking, because somebody else gave it to us. Not that it's super expensive, but you know, it was a nice thing to do. And we were done pretty quickly too in that area, so we put it back. We took the ticket and put it over where you get your tickets, pay for them, and I put one over there, so if somebody sees it, they can grab it, you know, too, because it was good till 4. Background noise because I got the TV going on in the other room. Living room's a little bit messy because Bianca's friends were here and I was baking and there was just stuff going on. She was super, super happy because her Yule present was basically a memory of her childhood. When she was little, there was this movie Christmas special that we had on VHS, and she loved that movie so much. She didn't just play it at Christmas, she played it all year long. She would pop it in the VCR all the time, and it got to the point where like we knew it by heart, and it was just, you know, if you've had kids, you know how they do that. They get stuck on a certain movie or TV show and you can't, like, they will go back to it over and over again. That's all they want to watch. That's all they want to do. I remember I used to babysit a girl when I was younger, and all she wanted to watch was Beauty and the Beast on VHS over and over again. Like, that's all she wanted to watch. She loved that movie. But with Bianca, there was this Christmas special, and it was called Olive the Other Reindeer. Now, they don't have it on Netflix, because a lot of the Christmas specials are on Netflix, and like, I'll put them in my queue so that they come, you know, right away during December. The only one that we haven't gotten to watch that we like to watch is Rudolph, but all the others we've had a chance to watch, so that was, you know. And whatever else Netflix might already have streaming, or Amazon Prime has streaming, and so on and so forth. So usually we can watch about every special, but I've never been able to find all of the other reindeer streaming. And even on Amazon Prime, you can't even pay to stream it, really. Like, they only have it like on DVD and the book, because there's a book. So it was only like $3 to buy it online. So I was like, I bought the DVD, gave it to her for Yule, so she wanted to watch it with her friends, and they did. And then they did other stuff and talked about things, and they kept talking about certain people, and I was just like, Those people are toxic. Just stay away from them. Like, just don't. I told them, I was like, in my life, I've learned that some people just want to start crap. And you need to just cut them out of your life and move on. That's a reality that I had to learn. It's very hard. But part of it's like, if people won't apologize for the things they've done, then don't. Like, I will totally befriend somebody who has hurt me if it wasn't too horrible. But I mean, it has hurt me or whatever. If they come back and they're like, you know what? This is what I did, and I'm sorry. Don't accept an apology that's just like, oh, I know I suck. That's not an apology. That's not admitting to what you did. Like, I am very, like, if they don't admit to what they did, don't be friends with them again. Because my experience has been, when they don't admit what they did, they will do it over again. Because in their mind, it wasn't wrong. So, and we're dealing with a lot of that right now. But I also have really amazing friends that I can hang out with all the time, and Bianca does too. But I mean, she, you know, is learning that the friends you had in high school, you don't usually keep all of them. People change, and people grow in different directions, and some people are just plain old toxic. Now, that doesn't mean they're going to be toxic forever, but they are right now. Stay away from them. Yeah. So, anyways, that was, I don't know why I decided to talk about that shit. Anyways, I did make turkey soup because John took this stock pot that had been on the porch and he like scrubbed it out, and it was like shining when he was done with it. It was amazing. And so I did make turkey soup tonight. I made a big pot of soup. It was very good and tasty, and yeah, and I'm so tired. So I don't know how long this is going to be. It might be longer than I thought, because I just had a big long rant about toxic people. I don't usually do that, so that's how tired I am. I'm just like, I don't care. So it's day 22. Oh man, we're almost to the end. I'm so sad. Aren't you sad? Vlogmas, you know, that's the thing about Christmas and other holidays, like Halloween too. It's like, I'm so excited the whole month, and then like when you get close to the end of it, you're like, no, I don't want this to be over. At least that's how I am. Okay, this is in our NYX lingerie, Deep Rooted. Okay, this looks really brown. And it is super brown, like muddy super brown. So, not my style, but I know somebody who would like it, so that's fine. And only 2 more to go, 23 and 24. I can't believe it. Oh yeah, and I have to get wrapping paper, because I thought, you know, the stuff I left over from last year would be fine. No, because apparently the cats had like torn it to bits. So I'm like, yeah, this wrapping paper isn't any good anymore. So now I gotta go get freaking wrapping paper. And I have tons of bows and like things, and they're all like, looks like they're all red and gold, so I guess I better get some red and gold wrapping paper. That's what's happening. Alright. I am gonna try and get some rest. And don't forget to share and subscribe, all that good stuff. And always be kind, even when you want to just kick them. Oh, I'm so tired. I love you all. Bye-bye, kitty cats.